Get ready to be amazed as I uncover the surprising behavior of snails that you won't believe until you see it for yourself. The largest snail in the world is the giant African land snail, scientifically known as Achatina. These remarkable creatures can grow up to 30 centimeters, which is about 12 inches, in length and weigh around 900 grams or 2 pounds. Here's a brief overview of its life cycle. Quack. Egg stage. Giant African land. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning each individual has both male and female reproductive organs. They can mate with any other individual, and both snails can lay eggs. After mating, a snail can lay hundreds of eggs in a single clutch. These eggs are typically laid in moist soil, which helps them stay hydrated and protected. The eggs hatch in about 2 weeks, depending on environmental conditions like temperature and humidity. Juvenile stage. When the snails hatch, they are tiny, measuring just a few millimeters long. They have soft, translucent shells and are highly vulnerable. Juvenile snails consume a diet rich in calcium to help harden their shells. They grow rapidly, molting their shells periodically as they increase in size. The adult stage of the giant African land snail is quite fascinating. It takes about 6 to 12 months for these snails to reach sexual maturity, depending on environmental conditions and food availability. Fully grown, giant African land snails can reach their maximum size and continue to live for several years. Once mature, they can reproduce and contribute to the next generation. Let's talk about their lifespan. In the wild, giant African land snails can live up to 5 to 7 years, though they can live longer in captivity under optimal conditions. Here are some key points to remember about the giant African land snail. They thrive in tropical climates and are found primarily in West Africa, although they have become invasive in other regions. These snails are herbivorous, feeding on a wide range of plants, fruits, and vegetables. In some areas, they are considered pests due to their voracious appetite for crops. Due to their high reproductive rate and adaptability, giant African land snails are considered invasive species in many regions outside their native habitat. So, what do you think about these surprising snail behaviors? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos about intriguing animal behavior, be sure to subscribe.